Hi guys, it's me again, Miss Valerie Rivas, the CEO and founder of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. I am here today to do another DIY tutorial for you. It is going to be a very simple piece. It will be it's a little candle holder, and it has like this diamond gem. So it looks really elegant, and I think it would be a great piece for a wedding. So I'm going to do that really quick for you. And I saw this on Z Gallerie. So I'm going to do that really quick for you. But I also wanted to say thank you to all of you that sent kind words regarding my grandson. He is doing very well. Um, so thank you so much for that. And I will keep you guys updated on his well-being going forward because you guys really were concerned about him. So thank you so much for that, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and get started with this, okay? Okay guys, so this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need these picture frames, and we're just gonna take the glass out of here. If you saw my other tutorial with the flower arrangement that was between the two frames that kind of stood there, well, this is kind of the same thing, but except we're going to use these. And I found these at the Dollar Tree maybe about a month ago. They were taking out the Christmas items and starting to put in the Valentine's items, and this was just kind of sitting there over in the dishes, and I picked up a bunch of them. Didn't really know what I was going to do with them, and then I was looking at Z Gallerie and I saw this this design that we're working on today. So I thought maybe we could take this diamond piece out and use it in this design. So we're going to see how that works. It may work, it may not. So we'll see. So the first thing you want to do is take your glass out. Now I'm going to do this my way, and then if I have a chance, I'll show you how to do it where it looks exactly like that Z Gallerie piece. And then I'm going to add bling wrap to mine because I want to give it a little more bling. So basically I did one glass already. It's just going to look like this. And remember guys, if you want to make this a more permanent piece, that you should use your E6000, or in my case I love the Gorilla Glue because it works really well.